Let's begin. We start with a view of our Canvas course, and what we're going to want to do, you can use the buttons on the bottom here, or you can use the links on the left. So I'm just going to click on Modules. And in the Branch 1 Legislative Branch module, this game is located and linked with the What's for Lunch with 1.7. So we're going to go ahead and click into there. And now we can see our learning objective, the agenda for today, and the instructions on how to access the game and where to submit the screenshots of the badges that we'll be earning in this game. So I'm going to start by clicking on Play This Game, and that'll take me directly to the Genially link, and now I can begin the game. So let's get started. I begin by clicking on the Start button on the home page. Now this will bring up the game setup menu. Now this is based on a fictional scenario, but let's read through. Parents of local high school students have brought up some serious and well-deserved concerns about the healthiness of the food options in the local high school cafeteria. You are part of a team that is creating a new lunch menu for the high school. Your goal is to help create a healthy lunch menu. Step 1 is you will choose one of 3 roles: the principal, the head chef, or a dietitian. Then you will progress through 3 rounds for your chosen role. Finally, you must successfully complete each round before progressing to the next. After you complete round 3 for the role you have chosen, you will earn that role's badge. Take a screenshot of all 3 roles' badges and submit them to the Google form linked in the Canvas daily agenda to successfully complete the game. So let's get into the actual game. When I click play, it will show me these 3 options: the school principal, the head chef, and a hired dietitian. Now for this example, we're going to go with the school principal. And while I will not walk you through each of the rounds because they are self-explanatory and contain the directions for each round in them, and I don't want to spoil the fun, we will take a look at the end result, which is the school principal's badge, and how do we take a screenshot of that so that we can successfully complete the game. Now that I've completed each of the 3 rounds for my role, it will take me to a screen that looks like this. Now the reason that this is a lock instead of the actual badge is so that you cannot just screenshot this instructions video and that you actually have to play the game in order to see the badge necessary to submit. What you will do once you reach this screen for each role is you will use the control key and the button above your 6 on your Chromebook, and that will create a screenshot that you can then access and submit into Google Forms. Once you have collected each role's badge, you're going to submit all 3 of them to the Google form linked in the Canvas daily agenda. The way I submit these into the Google form is I go back to my Canvas page, and I notice this purple link that says earn all 3 badges and submit the 3 screenshots to this form. Now when I click on this form, it will take me to a screen where I'll type in my first name, my last name, my student ID, which for now, because I don't have one, I will just put in a random number. And once I've done that, I'll click on Add File. Now from here, I can insert my files from my Google Drive. Now for me, it looks a little bit different. Your screen will show you your actual hard drive because the Chromebook that we use in this district directly downloads everything into your Google Drive. And if you have any questions, I can show you exactly how to do that in class. But after I do that, I find all 3 files. I upload all 3 badges here. After I've done that, I hit submit, and that constitutes the end of the game. If I have successfully submitted my 3 screenshots of all 3 badges to this Google form, and I've successfully submitted this Google form, I have successfully completed this game.